the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to be unveiled next year. However, leaks regarding the phone have started appearing online. A recent report suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might have 3 sensors instead of 4. However, later it was tipped that the phone would retain 4 sensors. Meanwhile, a tipster has now shared the camera details of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which hints at massive upgrades compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to the tipsters, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra would feature a quad camera setup with upgrades to 2 cameras, incorporating large and higher resolution sensors. The tipster mentions that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will include a 200MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP super-telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. In comparison, the Galaxy S24 was launched with a 200MP camera, a 50MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. This indicates that the 10MP telephoto lens on the Galaxy S24 will be replaced with the 50MP super telephoto camera on the successor. Meanwhile, the 12MP sensors on the predecessors will be replaced with 50MP sensor on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And if this turns out to be true, the upgrade will mark a significant change as the company has used the same 10MP 3x sensor since the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Meanwhile, the main camera has seen several upgrades over the years, from the 108MP HM1 sensor in the Galaxy S20 Ultra to the 108MP HM3 in the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the 200MP HP2 in the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S24 Ultra. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.